Malakas.
My fellow students, so my teacher, son, teacher, kind to all the parents in class, and children, and I'm gonna learn name. My name is Ali Liwanag. I am a kindergarten student. A precious one in the home. I am glad to be part of this school. First of all, would like to thank Jesus for guiding us, for our teacher, thank you for the patience in teaching us. For all the parents, thank you for the unconditional love. To our classmates and friends, thank you for wonderful memories. Thank you so much, everyone. We love you.